Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a Starlink account. So to get started, open up your browser and go to Starlink website. So once you're on the home page, tap on the Get Started button, and from here choose the service type that fits your needs, such as residential or roam. Next, enter your country and address in the required fields. After filling that in, tap View Plans, and you will now see the available plans and kits. So choose the option that works best for you, such as Standard or Mini, and continue with the order process. And after you purchase your Starlink kit and receive it, go back to the Starlink website, click on the three lines in the top right corner, then select Sign In. So on the sign in page, choose activate your Starlink, and from here enter your Starlink identifier, which can be found on the kit that you receive. Then enter the email address that you want to use for your Starlink account. After that, click new account, and this will create your Starlink account. So once your account is ready, you can continue with the activation and setup process for your Starlink service. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.